The other thing I want to show you in this video is how to adjust how much we see in profit or loss, as well as ticks in your favor and so on. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to bring up a demo sim account just to show you as an example. This is not a live account. And I'm going to, for example, buy the market. So if I buy the market right here,
Order submitted. Order filled.
you can see that this indicator indicates how much money I'm making or losing every time it ticks up or ticks down. You can click on this here and change that to a percentage. You can click on it again to change for how many increments. So in this case, it's an increment, and you can change it and hit it again to indicate ticks. So you can click on it 3 times to change how you want to see the market. You can see it in increments, 1 increment, which is 1 tick or 1. So it depends on the type of market that you're looking at. Could be in quarter points, could be half points, could be tenths. It's just an increment up or down. You click on it again, it gives you how much money you're making or losing, and you click on it again to indicate a percentage up or down from where you are. So this is a way that you can look at in the different varieties of what the trade is doing for you. The next mentorship class begins August 24th. If you're interested in joining, visit DayTradeToWin.com and you can download all the details, the pricing, and what's included. Until next time, have a great day. If you want to learn more about trading, visit DayTradeToWin.com. Subscribe to the DayTradeToWin YouTube channel, the next mentorship class where we cover all of these methods with lifetime licenses for the software.